So anyone have any idea about Python? What is Python and where we are using? So let me share my screen.
It's the scripting language where it is used in like automations things.
Mhm. Exactly. Yeah. So the Python. So Python is one of the programming language. You are able to see my screen, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So yeah, the Python. So Python is one of the programming language, and it's dynamically typed and open source language, and it supports many programming models, like including object oriented, structured, and functional programming. Like it supports like AI, artificial intelligence, machine learning, and IoT things. So it supports many features, and it contains many features, and we have like couple of useful features that contribute to Python's popularity, like the versatility, rapid development, data processing, and cost effectiveness, efficiency, and reliability, robust frameworks and libraries. So in the current market, we have like a 26% 26% of market share we have the Python. So like it's like easy to read, easy to understand, and I'll tell you, like for example, there are a couple of more languages also there. So if you wanted to write, like if you wanted to print hello world in different languages, so see, if you see like Python, you just need one statement, just print hello world, just one line of statement. If you take as a C, C++ or Java, it includes like 4 to 5 lines of statements. I'll show you like how simple it is. So this one of the Python community editor. So it's a free and open source. It's available over the internet or web. So if just print hi, let me drop a second. Okay. Let me reopen this one. So it's a PyCharm. So you can see like PyCharm Community Edition. It's a 2023.2. Like we have like a Python Interpreter 3.11 version. Sorry. Okay. So you just print hi, then that will display. So in order to print something, in C and languages, uh, C, C++, Java, you just need print. You just need to write include stdio into main and main method, and we need to give curly braces, parentheses, and need to write it. So in C, C++, and Java. So because of this one, so it contains like server side scripting and also the UI, GI, graphical user interface languages as well. And we have like uh, what is called data types. We have like in Java like in float, double, double. So couple of data types will be there. In coming to the Python programming languages, we have numbers, strings, list, set tuples also are there. So we don't need to in Java or C, C++, we just need to declare as a int A, int B, or string A, string B, something. So we have to declare like this. Coming to the Python languages, we don't need everything. We just need to write like a is equal 10. Then it will act as a integer. Okay, if you declare b is equal 20.5, then it will act as a floating point. If you declare c is as a some string or double quotes or single quotes, so it will act as a string format. So if you wanted to know what type of it is, just simply you just write type a. It will tell you what type of a it is. It is an int or float or string. You'll get to know what is what. So simply, so we have easy syntax and it's a readable and easy to understand and easy to develop as well. And coming to the application of Python programming, so where we use this Python, using some web applications and desktop GUI applications, we have couple of libraries. What we can say Django, NumPy, some libraries will be there. Now, those will be there. Data analysis, machine learning. So nowadays, the AI, artificial intelligence, is ruling the world. So everywhere we have like chatbots, AI, and if you just enter the text and it will automatically send some text sites. So that the technology behind that one is Python, the only Python. So couple of popular technologies like data science and DevOps, and there also they are using the Python. So if you learn the Python, it contains like all in one. So if you learn this one, you can go with automation tester as a developer and as a DevOps engineer or data science engineer or AI artificial intelligence engineer or machine learning engineer. So you have a multiple ways. You don't get other features in other programming languages. So I'll tell you a couple of features why we have to use the Python. So it's easy to use and easy to read. Python is a syntax is clear and easy to read, and it's making it an ideal language for both beginners and experienced programmers as well. So couple of technical background, couple of people comes from non-technicals. They also learn easily, and this simplicity and can lead faster development and reduce the chance of errors. So and the dynamical typed high level compiled and interpreted and garbage collected and purely object oriented and platform compatibility rich standard library and the open source. So the main the more advantage is open source, so anyone can use, anyone can download, and anyone can program it. So that is the main advantage of this programming, this Python languages. So and the next one is, so where is used Python is used. So we have day to day life, we are using Python, right, in the real time world, data science, DevOps, and AI ML, right. So in the data science, data analysis and visualization. See for example, Amazon. If you take an Amazon, if you take as a Google, so there's an algorithm, right? If for example you're searching something in the internet or YouTube, what it will do, they are running the behind one algorithm. So the people who search the most keyword, so they will take the technology behind they use as a Python. Did you understand that part? So data science, so that is the so it's contained like data analysis, what the user is using mostly, what user want. So they will display that kind of text only to the user. And desktop applications also we can use, we can develop a couple of pyqt and Tickner. We have couple of libraries all there, so we can develop the desktop applications. And it's like console based applications as well. If you see, I think if you are coming from the technical background or if you are working somewhere or if you are already working, so you heard about Linux, Unix commands and all, right. So we have like command line prompt as well, right. So when we enter some text, so text, I mean it's displaying copy text or grep or some command you are using, right. So Python, so the background is they are using the Python for the console based applications. And the mobile application. So we have like Android, the current world Android, iOS. They are using the for Apple they are using the iOS, and Android mobile they are using the Android development. I mean Android language. So the mobile applications also, couple of mobile applications will be there, right? So they are using the Python language to implement or to develop an application in the mobile. And the other part is AI, AML, we already discussed it, right? So we already discussed why we use Python and what is the use of Python. So nowadays we are using like popular application developed using the Python languages, and Google, Amazon, Apple, Facebook, Microsoft. The technology behind these applications is the Python. Okay. So the Facebook, even Instagram, WhatsApp, and LinkedIn and Git. So these are the most of the popular technologies, are the popular websites that behind is the Python. If you see this one, this slide tells you like what percentage Python is occupied. So it's like 26% overall, and the Java is a 21, like 21.42, and other like JavaScript, C Sharp, PHP like 8, 7, 6. I mean it's very less. Yeah. So and let's discuss about the data types and declaring variables and functions and methods. So mainly if you see couple of programming languages, we have like int, type, float, double, and strings, right? So in Python programming languages, we have like 4 or 5 kind of data types. One is numbers, the second one is strings, and the third one is list, the fourth one is tuple, the fifth one is set, and the sixth one is dictionaries. So if you see this one, this last 3, 4, 5, 6, these are similar, So we have like list. We can use it as a square brackets. So the data behind, I mean, we can declare list by using the square brackets. So we just discussed, right, numbers. If you give as a is equal 10, then that as a integer. Now if you give as a 10 dot, sorry, b is equal 10.5, then it act as a float. And if you give c is equal 20 as a, I mean, if you give some, if you wanted to declare a string, then you can give as a Venkat in the double quotes or single quotes, so that this will act as a string. Okay, anyone have any doubt? So yeah, this is the way we have to declare the variables and the other part and the functions. So when you're writing a reusable methods or functions, we have to give like def. So it's like a definition of the function. So we have to define the function one. So we have to give like this, and inside the arguments we can give a comma, b comma, c, something like that. Now we can give like print a plus b plus c. Now we have to call the function. Now you can see this one. 2 plus 5, 2 plus 4 plus 5 is equal to 11. Yeah, anyone have any questions?
So what's the need of declaring that A equals 10, B equals 10.5? Is it just for the reference we have given there? For
This
our understanding?
this for understanding how we have to declare the variables in the Python.
Okay.
So, like just comparing with the different languages, if you want to declare a variable in C, C++, or Java, you just need to give int a or string str or something like this. So, but in Python, we don't need mention any int, string, boolean, or float something kind of things. We just
Hmm.
directly declare a is equal 10, b is equal 10.5. Yeah.
Okay. So first we have to declare that A equals 10 or whatever the number we have to declare and then write the function, is it?
Yes, we have to declare. We can use that variable.
Okay.
Yeah. So I'll show you the Python syllabus as well, how it is, what the topics we are going to cover. So you can see this one. Total duration is 45 days, and so we are going to cover all these topics, and we are going to cover with the basic Python and as well as the advanced Python as well. So that comes under, I mean, if you clear this subject or if you are done with this course, if you, I mean, if you are perfect, you can put as a, I mean, you are eligible for as a 3 years of experience candidate in a Python development. That may include like, CSS and HTML as well. If you learn, I mean, it's take like, just 1 week. So that includes like, you can come as a Python developer for 1 to 3 years of experience. You are eligible for that experience. So we are going to cover the exceptions as well and the regular expressions. The regular expressions are like, it contains like some special characters, fetching the special characters and modifying and entering. It's a multi-threaded programming, like, single-thread, multi-thread. Using the databases also, we have like different databases, right? We are, I mean, in our day-to-day life, I mean, in the development or in the automations, we have to connect with the SQL, MySQL, Oracle, MongoDB, or Postgres. We have to base some data, or we have to compare with the different sheets, or so such kind of things will be there. That also we covered. And the NumPy pandas. So this is the data science topics. So we can the NumPy. So this is the most NumPy, pandas, and Motley. So these three features is the most important part in the Python as a developer, as an automation testers. And this is a graphical user interface developing a Python using the GUI. So how we can develop a web pages and all. So this is a Django web framework in a Python. So by using this framework, we can develop an application in the UI as well as mobile application. So this is about the Python syllabus. Now you can ask the questions. I'm done with the demo.
So how are you going to conduct the detailed session on this?
Come again.
Because I'm not sure, like we just got the invite link in one of the group chat. So I've joined. How was going to be like? You have shared the syllabus here, right? So are you going to take the classes for these in detail in the coming days?
Yes, yes, that comes as a in detail as a real time how the people are using. We'll take a sample project and we'll. showcase that as well.
I think the one who's not speaking can go on mute. I guess there is a lot of background disturbance.
1 second. Let me stop.
I think it's.
Yeah, the other guy went on mute. Okay.
I
Huh.
think he left the call.
Yeah. You can go ahead.
So actually, actually, I'm already working. I have the scope for learning this Python.
Mm-hmm.
So it's very new for me.
Mm-hmm.
I have not, I do not know anything, so I should start from the basics.
Mm-hmm.
And I am into this data analytics, so I need to learn this Python. So I just wanted to know in detail what is the next procedure. Like, will you be taking any sessions here, or how I'll be notified? Like, or you have the separate session, or some other classes, or any kind of other sessions that you'll be taking. So I'll be interested to join there and learn more.
We will cover the topic which are there in the syllabus, and if you come across
Mhm.
a special thing in your working area, so that may be in a separate classes, maybe. So after end of this session or classes, or this tutor, a Python course, you may get some idea. How can I deploy these
Yes.
things into my project and all. So that's the very clear idea.
Mhm.
And in the middle also, you can put some questions, or you can ask some doubts as well. So maybe that comes under advanced Java, maybe. So that part also we can. See, without basics, directly jumping into the advanced also, you may not understand. Maybe the work may be done, but you did not understand, right? So the better
Yes,
maybe.
I'm not into a technical
Mm,
side. So I've done like in my studies, I've done my programming language, and it is a very long back, and I don't have touched on these programming languages. I just know the basics of C, a little bit of, but in my working experience of 10 years, I'm not into a technical work side. I'm
mm,
into a non-technical. So now, because of this data analytics and automation and all, now we will be using this Python as a thing, right? So I was interested in learning this Python.
yes. This is very suitable for you.
Yeah.
Because
Yes.
you're
Yes.
already having 10 years, but you don't have any technical knowledge. So this is a Python,
Technical
right?
knowledge. Yes.
Yeah. This is a
Yes.
Python, right?
Yes.
So you can
So
easy to understand and easy to deploy. So after 1 or 2 classes, you may understand very fully, and you can enjoy later. So it's very interesting
mhm.
to do it as well.
Okay.
Compared to other programming languages, C, C++, Java, the Python is the very best one to learn it and implement it.
Mhm.
Yes.
Okay. Because I see very few people have joined this session, so I'm not
Mhm.
sure like will you be going to conduct the detailed session on it.
Yes, actually, 1 week
How
ago
is
I
going
given
to
it. Yeah, 1 week ago I was given a demo. There is a couple of people are also waiting, and this is a second demo.
mm-hmm.
So the
Okay.
thought is to combine both people in one session and need to start the session actually to start the classes.
Oh,
It may.
classes. Okay.
Yeah. Narendra, do you have any questions?
Yeah, actually, I was waiting her to finish.
Uh,
So
Vidya, you
even
are
I have
finished?
similar kind of. Hello.
Yes,
Narendra.
I'm done.
Yeah,
Yeah,
Narendra. Yeah. Thanks, Vidya. Yeah.
I even even I am from a non IT background, and I just joined. Actually, I was having a thought of shifting my career
Mm.
into IT or any other field where some interesting job and all. Now currently I'm into operations. Actually,
Mm-hmm. Okay.
I have close to 10 years of experience, and I've been trying to shift to IT from long back, like 2 to 3 years as well. I've
Mm.
undergone for manual testing training. The reason behind it is, I used to work as a C faculty in my
Mm.
college days.
Okay.
I was good in C. That was in 2008 to 10. I worked as a faculty for C language.
That's
So
great.
after that, for some reason, I have shifted my career to MBA. After that, I came into operations. So currently working into assistant as an assistant manager.
Mm-hmm.
So I just need your suggestion. Like, I mean, will it be useful if I undergo for a course? Is there anyone, I mean, who have shifted their career by after learning this?
Yes, yes, of course, because most of the non-technical people came to the they started with the C or Python language because C is a basic one, even that can be compared to the C, C++, Java, but Python is not comparable to any other programming languages. So that is easy to learn, easy to implement it. If you have some idea, you just go through the some websites or the Python basics and all. You can understand easily, even without any class or with any session. You can easily execute it. So the one thing, you are already 10 years completed in your career, that is a non-technical, right? So if you learn the Python, you may shift into the multiple ways. So you can go to the automation tester as a Python developer, as well as data science, DevOps, and AI, artificial intelligence,
Like,
and machine learning also.
the
You have
challenge,
multiple
but
options.
the challenge is, I mean, I'll be considered as a fresher into that, right?
No, 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 no.
Obviously.
The thing is, like, you already 10 years consider, right? So the thing is, my suggestion is put on some effort, 6 to 1 year or 6 months.
Okay.
Okay, so you
Okay.
can put. I mean, you can tell as I worked as 5 years into the this one, the other 5 years into the whatever your current background and all. You can put. You can
Okay.
say that one as well.
Okay.
Yeah.
Fine. Thank you.
Yeah. Yeah. Any other question, Vidya? And this X2 guy is also there.
No, nothing from my end.
Yeah.
I'm just looking to
Yeah.
just for attending this detailed session on it.
Yeah. So the session may
So
start.
is it going to be on the weekends or
It should be weekdays. The first half, like
weekdays?
8 a.m. to 12 a.m. in the morning. In
Mm-hmm.
between. In between.
Okay.
Yeah. Up to Saturday will be there, but Sunday is an exceptional. We cannot. I mean, we can give holiday for that day. So it may start
Okay.
the next
So
week.
is it going to be daily?
It should be daily. 45 days, right? It should be daily.
Okay, Ruby. Okay. So you are the one who is going to take it, or just like
I'm the one.
is it someone else? You are the
No,
one. Okay.
no, no, no. I'm the one. I'm the one. So you have multiple
Okay.
options here as well. Once you complete the course, you have option like resume preparation, and if you need proxy also we
Mhm.
can provide that one. If you need some kind of experience also, that will be there, and job support also there.
Okay.
Yeah. So but please note that it's not a free. Everything is based
Mhm.
on your I mean your based on your package. They are going to charge for your support until you get it. And once you
Okay.
get that, you have to pay this something like that. Yeah.
I didn't get you. Like once
I
we
mean,
get
I
placed
mean
later,
the resume, yeah, the resume preparation, the interview questions and mock-up interviews will take it. So still, if you need kind of proxy, that should be the paid one, and the job support that should be
paid
also paid.
one.
Yeah, you should pay something. And the experience, if you need kind
Okay.
of experience in the the background, the Python or designation or some kind of experience, that is also there. But as you know that
Mhm.
we have to, you should pay something for that. I mean, that is a third party people will manage that one. I don't manage that one, but I'll
Mhm.
I'll take to you to them.
Okay, but that payment we should make it once we get placed or once we
Right,
get
right,
job.
right, right, right. Exactly,
Okay. Okay.
exactly.
Okay. Of course.
Yeah, yeah, I'll do that. I'm sharing. I'm sharing the chat. So
Mm.
the session may going to end in next 4 minutes. Narendra just pinged on the chat. You can take my contact.
Thank you.
Yeah, yeah. So still, if you have any questions, you can ask. Otherwise, we'll close the session. So the first session, guys, may be there, so, and this session. So we may, we may continue on the next week or Wednesday or Thursday. Okay. Yeah, yeah. Thanks.
Okay, fine. So, how do I get the link? Like, because this time it was a separate group, so there someone had forwarded your
Haha.
session
So
link, I
the
guess.
admin or Sunkar Raju will be there. We can take my number in the chat
Yeah.
session, so you can contact to me. Okay. I sent it
Okay.
in chat session. You can contact to me. Okay.
I don't see your contact there. Have you sent it?
I'm sending. Sending. Yeah.
Yeah, got it. Thank you.
Yeah. Yeah. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Yeah, you too. Bye bye. Happy weekend.
Yeah. Yeah. Bye.
Bye.